elusive leaf fish. Bastard. Yeah, I'm gonna go with one of these guys. Yes, fish on. There he is. There you go. Nice sooty. Nice, looks promising. Hey guys, what's going on? So we're smashing the fresh water yet again. Not trying to do anything special today. Just chasing some soots and hopefully a few perch. Hopefully we hook on down here. We shall see. Sweet, we'll use this to get up the river a little bit faster. Alright, we're heading up, well, I shouldn't say up, we're heading downstream a little bit further. That spot there was no good. I thought we would have definitely hooked on there. Yeah, we'll head downstream a bit further, guys. Should find some nice spots down here to flick. Get some soots, some sooties. And that's a nice line over there on that edge. Looks like a car come up over here. Oh, yeah. Yes, elusive leaf fish. These are quite rare, but they are endangered. We'll let him go. Might have to swap our tactic. Ain't getting my lure that easy. No straighten outs. No, these are quite good hooks on these Zurichs, guys. I've noticed that. I was only using it because it was tied on from last challenge video we did. I'm gonna go with something a little bit different. Might even get some of this squidgy stuff out as well. It's one of these soft plastics. Ah, sharp. Yeah, I'm gonna go with one of these guys. Bit of this S factor. I'm just gonna smudge that on top. See what this can do. Snagged. That's not what I wanted. Oh, break him off. Oh. Bye bye. Give this fella a go, same as the one we just lost. Slightly different colour. See how this performs. Hopefully I don't get snagged again. Yes, fish on. There he is. Yes. It's come up and annihilated it. That's what we're hoping for, guys. Alright mate, come, settle. Come. There you go guys, check that out. Nice hook up. Just have to get it real close to those snags. There you go, nice little sooty. Smashed him on that little soft plastic. Just a quick one before we head up further. I'm thinking about doing a subscriber fishing day very soon, within the next month or two. Let me know if you would be interested in something like that. I want to go to the mouth of the Barron River because you've got estuary, beach, all the sand flats there, so there's all sorts of fish we can catch. I plan on making it a little competition just to give something back to you guys. Maybe something like a reel for biggest fish for the day and box of lures or something for most fish, something like that guys. So all those people that wanted to come fishing and that have been messaging me, come to the subscriber fishing day. You'll have to bring your own food, but I'll make sure there's an esky full of soft drink there. So that's the plan so far. Matron's Beach about 8 o'clock in the morning, and I'll be there till about 3, so quite a few hours fishing. Anyone that wants to turn up, friends, family, subscribers, yous are all welcome. Should be a good day guys, but for now we'll get back up towards the car. Let's go try hook. One more sooty before we head home. Still pumped about that soft plastic one, that was awesome. Alright, we're back at the car. Gonna fish that first spot we tried right at the start. Now we've got some sinking lures on. Sit yous there like that. Alright. Bit more of this lip balm. Get a heap of that on here. That's the goodness right there. Tasty. Oh, see what's around here. Those. It's better. Alrighty, so we didn't finish off strong. We only got that one sooty. We got him on a soft plastic, so I'm pretty pumped about that. I very rarely get fish on soft plastics. We weren't really down here chasing fish. I just wanted to let you know about that subscriber fishing day. Pretty keen on getting it done. I know quite a few of you want to go for a fish and live up around the area where I fish all the time. So definitely stop in guys. I'll keep you posted in coming videos on an actual date and time and things like that. But for now we'll just leave it at that. I only hooked one fish but had an absolute ball doing it guys. It was a top day. In saying all that though, I think that's going to be it for today. If you've enjoyed hanging out, smash that like button for me. Ram it guys. And if you haven't already, please subscribe for more content. Till next time. Nah. We ain't eating that, man. We ain't eating that. Alright. Breaking off.